Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 33rd session of this complete journey. Now, something else you could do, and this is also found within the font section of the home tab. You can add borders to the cell, right? Now, I got my title that is not complete yet, but monthly budget. Nice, big, bold, Arial black font, but it's white, so it stands out from that blue background, and it got the blue background there, right? And it spans across multiple cells, right, going from B2 to I2, right? And well, what I want to do now is I want to put a nice border, just a bottom border. We could put one all the way around it, but I think for mine, I want to put just a bottom border there, just a nice thick border. So I'm going to select from B2, left click and drag them, and I'm going to grab B2 to I2. Let's get them all because I want to put a border across all of those cells there. So that's highlighted now. I'm going to go back to my home tab right there, and at the top under the home tab you have the border section. Now if I click on the little arrow next door to the border, you're going to get several options or different flavors or configuration of border you can apply here. So I'll just click here and show you. So you can see that we got just the bottom border, top border, left border, no border. There is a common question that I get to ask a lot: how do I remove border from the cell? Well, it's right there. Select a group of cell. You can use no border, all borders, or outside border, thick outside border, and so on. It has so many different options here now. Like I said, I just want to apply a bottom thick border here, so I'm going to grab the thick border, uh, thick border, thick bottom border, right? And I'll click here. I'm going to click away now. I can't really see it, but I can click someplace else, and I have now get the nice little border right there. Look at that. And again, even just something small like that, right? Remember, sometimes less is more. Just even something small like that, that had to be a big huge border, did not go around the entire thing. Again, it's your choice, right? But I like this. I'm liking this thick bottom border in my title. However, you want to format this, but sometimes the little things really add to the presentation. So just selecting the cells, home tab, font, you got your border command right there, and all these presets, these pre-configured options for you to choose from. So try that out, add a border to the title of your worksheet, and then we'll meet up in the next session. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.